On occasion, I have clients reach out to me because they cannot find Act. Act is open, but they cannot find it. In this case, I have a client named Ray who is having this issue. So I'm creating this video to show him how to find Act. Now I want to draw your attention down below. And this is Windows 10, but there's an Act icon down below. And there's a blue line under it right down here on my taskbar. When I see Act, sometimes if Act is open but minimized, you can't get it to come up on the screen. So let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to come down here and click on Act. And what can happen is just by clicking on it, it will bring it up on the screen. If I click on the Act icon again, it will minimize it. You can do that with any open window. So again, I'm going to put my pointer on the Act icon. And what you might see happen, and most likely will, is if clicking on the icon doesn't work, you'll notice that Act in a very small window popped up right here. I'm just going to click on that, and again, it comes up on the screen. My name is Tony Holowitz. If I can help you in any way, give me a call, 781-728-9777. Thank you.